Today we are making pepperoni and cheese New York style pizza and the dough. We're going to do this all at home and it's going to be ever so good. Hey, remember to support us on Patreon. We've got so much to offer. I'm Chef Don McMillan. Look at this. Pizza dough. New York style pizza dough. I'm going to show you how to make it, and we've also going to tell you about the toppings and the sauces. We want to go ahead and get started. Please subscribe. We need your subscriptions. Hit that bell. Let us know what you think about it, and also comments. I know everybody likes pizza. Let's share some ideas on New York style pizzas and other types of pizzas, because we've done a whole lot of videos and we've got more to come. Look, here's my dough. I've given you the recipe. It really is stretched out. I want to stretch it out to fit on my stone, and it's ready to go. But before that, I have to get my sauce ready. So with the sauce, I'm using San Marzano tomatoes. They are so flavorful, so good. I'm going to kick them up just a little bit with, look at this, fresh basil from my herb bush right outside the door. I pick them off before they see it's starting to flower. So if you don't do that, what's going to happen is that your leaves will start dying because it's going to seed, which is why it's supposed to do, right? But we want to keep leafing so we can use those basil leaves into our food, and you can freeze them too, so do that. Here's what I do. I nest them on top of one another, and then I'm just going to roll them just like this. Look, just roll the leaves, and then I'm going to cut them and put them right into our tomatoes. So we rolled up our basil leaves. Now we're going to cut them. This is called a chiffonade. Just cut them just like this, and then throw them right there into the tomatoes. Fresh oregano. Just pull it back right off the stem. Pull the stem right out. Look, this comes off the stem. Beautiful fresh oregano. I'm going to just give this a little bit of a chop. And that goes into the tomatoes as well. Now check what I'm going to do with the tomatoes. They're whole peeled tomatoes. I'm just going to crush them just a little bit. Just a little bit of a crush. Look. Crush, crush, crush. Got a good feel for it. All right, break them up. Just like that. Okay. Good. Let me rinse my hands off and get my pizza stone out of the oven because it's ready to start being made. You can't be pizza without pepperoni. Okay, so pepperoni, I'm going to slice it up. I'm trying to slice it a little bit thin. We'll have more to go around. Also, a little easier to eat, but so much flavor. Remember to buy a good pepperoni, and I even like to slice my own. It has lots of wonderful flavors. Oh man, can't wait. I have my pizza stone in the oven heating up, and we're going to take it out in just a second. All right, there's our stone out of the oven. Be careful. It's very hot, but we want to go ahead and place our dough. See how I folded the dough in half? And then we just go ahead and place it over there. And then what I want to do with the edges, just kind of twist them up, curl them up like that. That's going to help keep the sauce inside without going into the oven and making a mess that we would have to clean up later. Just keep twirling it around, just twisting around just like this. All right, so already starting to bake. Yep. Okay, good. Now, there's those San Marzano tomatoes with the fresh basil and the fresh oregano. I'm using a slotted spoon. I don't want to get too much of that juice, but I do want all those wonderful tomatoes in there. Put them in our pizza pie. This is our authentic New York style pizza. Yes, tomatoes. Look at that. Look at those tomatoes. Aren't they gorgeous? And they taste so good. They're so sweet. These are even organic. All right, spread them around. Okay. Let's see. Got any more salad? There's one here. Let's put that in there. more right here. Okay, that's plenty. Now, cheese. Look at this. Mozzarella cheese. Oh, just spread it around. Make that pie happy. Oh yeah, look. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful cheese. Oh great, let's put it all on there. We love our cheese here. Yeah. And the pepperonis that we worked at cutting them up. Now let's divvy them up. Let's spread them all over the pie. Every slice is going to get some pepperoni. This is pizza heaven here. Okay, fresh basil. Look, fresh basil leaves. Just put them on there. Put them on there. It's going to perfume this pie. It's going to be just absolutely delicious, and it's going to go into our 450-degree oven right now. Look, Lori, isn't this pizza gorgeous? We just took it out of the oven. It's hot, bubbling.
It's beautiful.
It's beautiful. Look at Luigi. He's just eyeing this pizza. You know Luigi's in all of our videos. Check him out. Let us know in the comment file where you see Luigi. He hangs out all over this kitchen. Sometimes we don't even know where he is, right?
That's right.
Yeah, he just pops up, you know? So look, this is such a wonderful pizza, New York style. Oh my God! We showed you how to make the dough. It has pepperoni, it has cheese, it has fresh basil, fresh from our basil garden. All this to love. Hey, subscribe, please do that. Also, definitely you want to hit us in the comment file. Tell us what you think about it. We'd love to have you support us on Patreon, because for that we're going to give you exclusive content, behind the scenes stuff that you will not see anywhere else, and early access to all of our videos. And Lori, I think we have something special to tell the people that subscribe to our video.
I sure do. So the aprons that you see us wearing in the videos, for every 50 subscribers, if you comment below that you subscribe, we're going to pick one lucky person, and we're going to send you your very own apron for free anywhere in the world. And then you can wear your apron while you cook with us.
That's right. And you're going to want to cook with us, because we got so many videos to share. So definitely subscribe and tap that bell, and you'll find out when the next one is coming up. And it could be another pizza. Speaking about pizza, I think it's time we can test this pizza.
Yeah, I'm ready.
I'm ready too. Let's do this. We have a special guest today from the Pet Pizza Lovers Association, the PPGA.
This is Daisy, our newly adopted mix. We think she's a Chiweenie, and she's very sweet. She loves pizza, so she's been an official taste tester in our videos now.
That's
what do you
right.
think, Daisy? But I'm gonna have to put you down so I can try some pizza.
Definitely got to try this pizza.
Then I'll give you a little bit of crust later. I don't think she's too happy about that. She wanted a piece of it. Oh my gosh, this looks so good. It looks really, really hot. It's still steaming. Okay, well I'm gonna blow on it first. Well, we really should have napkins.
Yeah.
In these videos.
I'll get you one right here.
Thank you.
Yeah.
That is really good.
Yeah.
That fresh basil on top.
Yeah.
Adds excellent flavor to it.
Looks good. Smells good. Look at that crust. Look. Isn't that gorgeous?
Perfect.
You're going to love my pizza dough recipe. It is so good for pizza. It makes great French bread. Calzones, my goodness. Yep. Stuffed breads, pan au chocolat, all those wonderful things. So you're going to get all our recipes right down below. Hit me with some comments. Let me know what you think about pizza. I can tell you what I think about it. Oh.
Is it simple and
Can't say it.
Delicious.
Delicious.
And thank you for being part of our audience today. And please watch some more of our videos, and we'll see you next time.